Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for the Jumia affiliate program. If you want to become a Jumia affiliate marketer, then keep watching. So what you need you need your laptop. You can also use your phone. You need a good internet connection. You need your email account and your website URL. You can also use your Instagram or WhatsApp URL. So you go to affiliate.jumia.com and then you see the sign in and register tab. Just click on register. Then it will take you to a page where you actually fill in the form with your name, your email, your phone number, your website, your country, and so on. So I'm just going to quickly fill this in right now. And for your website, you can input your YouTube URL, and if you don't have a YouTube, you can use any of your social media pages, because Jumia actually accepts you promoting their products on your social media. Then you go ahead and accept the terms and condition. Like I always say, it is important for you to always read the terms and condition of any affiliate program you are joining. So right now I just clicked on their terms and condition, and I was just trying to scroll through and just give a quick look through. So you need to really take time and go through the terms and condition and be sure that you are okay with everything that is in there. Next, click on the register tab and they'll send a mail to you. So you check your mail and you see that they sent a mail thanking you for signing up, and they are going to get back to you between 1 and 3 days. So once they get back to you, you need to sign into your account. And once they get back to you and they've accepted you into the affiliate program, sign into your account by going to affiliate.jumia.com and log in with your login credentials. Here you'll be able to see your affiliate dashboard, your performance, advertising, reporting, payments, and so on. So let's go to performance. You'll be able to see what your performance is like. That will be after you've started selling. You'll be able to see what you've been able to sell. So to promote your affiliate links, go to advertising. The first link under advertising is link for mobile applications. So if you want to promote a particular mobile application through the Jumia website, then you are going to find this particular page useful. Then the next one is the banner generator, and this is especially useful for those who have websites where you can actually place these banners on your website, and they are in different shapes and different sizes. You can pick any of the sizes that you want depending on your website type. Pick the ones you want, then you scroll down and you'll be able to add a sub affiliate ID if you want, just for additional tracking. Then you'll be able to copy the URL, you'll be able to save that particular banner to your computer or your phone. Then you'll be able to use it on your website. Then you see the other links also link to that particular site, that particular banner, where people can buy what is specified on the banner. So under link builder, that is where I use the most. That's where you just be able to copy the link. It's just mainly for the link. So what you need to do is go to jumia.com.ng. Then search for the products you want to link to your website or your YouTube page or wherever you want to link it to. Search for the product. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be picking just a random product here. Just click on the product that you want, and then you go to the URL bar at the top of your computer or your phone. Make sure that you are okay with the product you are actually linking. Most preferable, make it a product that you've actually used or a product that actually has a lot of recommendation and good reviews on it. So once you are satisfied with it, you go to the bar, then you copy the link on that bar. You copy the link, then you go back to your affiliate dashboard and you paste it in that Jumia URL page box. You paste it there, then scroll down to sub affiliate ID. This is just for to help with further tracking. So type in your unique name, just something that you want to start using as your own sub ID. Once you type it in, a URL for your affiliate link will be generated. So you just copy that. And something that I do, because this URL link is too long, is that I go to bit.ly. That's bit.ly. It's a shortening page. I go there, then I create a new link, a shortened link for this very long Jumia created link. So you paste the link there and automatically it will shorten it for you. You can actually copy the URL, and that is what you send to your clients and people that actually want to buy through your link. And you can actually title it so that you know you'll be able to track how many links you have, how many clicks you have on it, in addition to the click tracking on jumia.com. So you'll be able to track it. So this shortened link is actually what you will paste on your YouTube videos, the description link of your YouTube videos, or your WhatsApp status, or your Instagram page. So under reporting, on the left bar, you'll be able to see your daily summary and conversions as it occurs. Then under payment, you'll be able to see your payment information, and you'll be able to edit and add your account number, account details, everything about your account. You'll be able to add it. And their mode of payment is through bank transfer. So you need your bank branch, which will be a number, a number, not words. So you will need your SWIFT code also from your bank. And under your payment history, you'll be able to see your payment history. Then you'll be able to see the frequently asked questions also, and the commission model. So you just scroll to Jumia Nigeria and you'll be able to see the different commissions that are available for different categories of products that are available on jumia.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you've grabbed one or two things from this tutorial. Please make sure to share this video with your friends. If you are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell notification beside it. I have other videos on my channel about passive income, about affiliate marketing. Please check them out. I also talk about YouTube, and I talk about lifestyle. I do lifestyle vlogs. So if any of this interests you, definitely make sure to subscribe and check out the playlist for these particular topics. Thank you for watching. If you have a video request, please leave them in the comment section. I'll see you later. Bye.